Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan SHENGMAO Machinery. Today I want to introduce you one set of the dry mix stationary concrete batching plant we just pre-assembled in our factory. This is a picture of the dry mix concrete batching plant. This set is 2 bins and we can also make it to 3 or 4 bins. This is a belt conveyor. The aggregate are being weighed on the batcher will transport it through those belt conveyors to the hopper up there. Above is the discharging hopper and the weighing hopper of the cement, additive, and the water. And because it's a dry mix concrete batching plant, so it didn't have the concrete mixers, so it's more cheaper than the wet mix type stationary concrete batching plant. This is a cement hopper for customers that want to use the bag type cement instead of using the cement silo. Our factory is professional in supplying all kinds of concrete batching plant, and welcome to contact us if you are interested.